Hello students, this is your English lesson. In this lesson we are going to read a poem My Doves from Oxford Modern English. Students, My Doves is written by Louisa May Alcott. Louisa May Alcott was an American novelist and poet best known as the author of the novel Little Women and its sequels Little Men and Joyous Boys. My Doves by Louisa May Alcott is a beautiful poem in which the writer speaks about a flock of doves and their daily chores. The way they come and sit on the windowsill and accepts the alms provided by the writer is worth noticing. Slowly the group of doves stop fearing the writer and develops a bond between them. Now come to the reading. My doves. Opposite my chamber window, on the sunny roof at play, high above the city's uproar, flocks of doves sit day by day, shining necks and snowing feathers, little rosy tripping feet, twinkling eyes and fluttering wings, cooing voices, low and sweet. Graceful games and friendly meetings do I daily watch and see. For these happy little neighbors always seem at peace to be. On my window ledge to lure them, crumbs of bread I often strew, and behind the curtain hiding, watch them flutter to and fro. Soon they cease to fear the giver. Quick are they to feel my love, and my arms are freely taken by the shyest little dove. In soft flight they circle downward, peep in through the window pane, stretch their gleaming necks to greet me, peck and coo and come again. Now come to the questions. Question A. Where do the doves come every day? Answer. Every day the doves comes to a roof opposite the poet's window and sometimes to her window ledge. B. How are the doves described in the poem? Answer. The doves are described as having shining necks and snowy feathers, little rosy, tripping feet, twinkling eyes and fluttering wings. They have cooing voices which are low and sweet. C. Is the poet happy to see the doves? How do we know? Answer. The poet is happy to see the doves because she watches them daily. She also says that they feel her love. D. How does the poet get the doves to sit on her window ledge? Answer. The poet gets the doves to sit on her window ledge by placing crumbs of bread on it. E. What does the poet do so as not to frighten the doves? Answer. The poet hides behind a curtain so that the birds are not frightened. By feeding them daily, they become less frightened. These questions are more difficult. Discuss them first. F. How does the poet describe the doves? Make notes under the following headings. 1. The appearance of the doves. The appearance is in flocks with shining, gleaming necks, snowy feathers, little rosy feet, twinkling eyes. 2. The sounds made by the doves. Cooing, a low and sweet sound. 3. How the doves move. Tripping feet, fluttering wings, stretch their necks, graceful circle downward in soft flight. Number 2 question. Answer the questions about these lines from the poem. And my arms are freely taken by the shyest little dove. A. Who is giving the alms and who is taking them? Answer. The poet is giving the alms and the doves are taking them. B. In what form are the alms given? Answer. The alms are given in the form of breadcrumbs. C. What is the result of the giving of alms? Answer. The result of the giving of alms is that even the shyest of the doves ceases to be frightened of the poet and comes to her window to coo, stretch its neck and greet her. Page number 82. Question 4. Can you tell how many syllables there are in each of the following words? A. Slake 1. B. Lived 1. C. Marriage 2. D. Efforts 2. E. Sorrowed 2. F. Unfortunately 5. G. Behind 2. H. Perfectly 3. I. Chapter 2. J. Mused 1. K. Unhappily 4. L. Through 1. B. Working with words. Match the adjectives in the column A with the nouns in column B. As black as night. As cold as ice. As blind as a bat. As deaf as a post. As fit as a fiddle. As flat as a pancake. As free as a bird. As graceful as a swan. As hungry as a wolf. As red as a rose. Page number 83. Say whether the following are in the simple present or present continuous tense. A. I am eating my lunch. Present continuous. B. I eat my lunch at 12:30 every day. Simple present. C. My lunch consists of rice and vegetables. Simple present. D. My mother cooks very tasty food. Simple present. E. She is making a cake in the kitchen. Present continuous. Thanks for listening. For new videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel. And if you like my videos, please share and like.